I'm Tricia Horton, and welcome to my YouTube channel or my course, my business English course or my intermediate course. Today, we're going to talk about each other versus one another. First of all, I'm Tricia Horton. As I said before, if you like English, if you need English, if you need to level up your English, then this is the channel for you. I've been an English teacher and coach for over 25 years in Spain. I speak fluent Spanish and a bit of French. I can have a conversation. So I know about the struggle that you have when you're learning another language. I get it. And I'm going to give you a lesson as simple as possible so you can come away from this lesson knowing how to use this. Now, one thing that you need to do is have a routine when practicing a language. English, French, Spanish, anything. You need a routine. You need to immerse yourself into the language at least 15 minutes a day. So let's go take a look at this lesson, and down there, click the subscribe button, give me a like, and comment anything that you would like to learn. And remember, you have wonderful courses that I have created for you to level up your English in business English and in intermediate English. And you can also set up a class with me. And I also have a 3-month high-tier coaching program that you could also enjoy with me. So let's get started, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Business English grammar tip, or general English too. Anyway, each other versus one another. Real examples and fixes. Each other versus one another. Why it matters in business. Even fluent speakers get this one wrong. Do you know when to use each other versus one another? Have you ever written, "We supported each other," and wondered if it sounded right? Most people use each other and one another like they're the same, but they're not. Each other, exactly 2 people. One another, 3 or more. Examples: my colleague and I helped each other. That's 2. The team supported one another during the project. 3 or more. They're not interchangeable, even in casual conversation. Why it matters in business. When you're writing a business email, delivering a presentation, or writing client-facing content, these small distinctions make a big impact. They show precision, they build trust, they reflect how strong your communication really is. And in a professional setting, that clarity sets you apart. Here's the difference. Each other is used when referring to 2 people. One another is used when referring to 3 or more people. More examples. My co-founder and I support each other. 2 people. The team members supported one another throughout the project. More than 2. Again, why it matters in business. These aren't just grammar details, they're credibility details. When you write a client proposal, pitch, or email, your language equals your leadership. Precision builds trust. It shows your attention to detail before you ever talk about your offer. Think of it like this. If your words are off, meaning wrong, your message can feel off too. Maybe they won't understand you. If you're already in my course, in my business English course or my intermediate English course, I'm clapping for you. You're doing the work most people skip because they think that they can learn just by watching videos. just make sure you're still practicing at least 15 minutes a day. Create that routine, keep that routine going. It's so important. Remember, consistency compounds, meaning you get better and better with your own consistency. Want to feel more confident when speaking or writing in English professionally? Join my business or intermediate English course today. The link is below in the description. Let's get your language as sharp as your skills, because we all know you're skillful. We all know you are capable of doing more in English. And I hope to see you soon in my course or following me here on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button now, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.